Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel for discussing the forecast about Nifty for next week. This week it was fully a news based week, majorly because of the Adani issue, and one good news has came due to budget, but it was not able to sustain till Thursday. We had a decent budget, we had a decent rally, but the Adani saga continued and pulled everything down. It literally created panicness to everyone. So the major question everybody's mind will be like whether this will get arrested or continue. No one knows the answer for it, but still we will try to analyze our forecast through charts. Before discussing about the charts, I would like to request the newcomers to subscribe our YouTube channel, and stay connected over here. Also click the bell icon which is next to it, so that you will get notifications on time as and when we post our videos. After seeing this video, if you feel that this video is helpful for you and it may help your friends also, please do forward the video to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets. Now moving on to the charts for discussing. No major changes from last week chart. I have removed a couple of things, and support and resistance zone are varying a little bit. So this falling trend line which I have drawn by connecting the two lows earlier has been perfectly respected even during this fall. Took support on the falling trend line first day, and then the second day also it has took support exactly on the falling trend line, that too because of panic selling which continued after budget. In fact, it was a 650 points swing from day low to high on 1st of February. Even there also it has taken support exactly near this falling trend line and then climbed up higher. After that, next 2 days we had pretty decent days. I would not say very bad day, but decent days. The next day after budget was a flat day, and the Friday is a very good day where we have rallied more than 200 points. Right? So now over here I have marked two moving averages which are almost coinciding with each other within a range of 50 points difference. One is the 20 moving average which is in black color, and then the pink one is the 100 moving average. If you see the value, pink one, I mean the 100 moving average is at 17945, and the 20 moving average is somewhere around 17905, which means we have only 40 point band above which Nifty could become very good for the bulls. But this 40 point range is very tough to break. Remember it. On the downside, support level are, the first support comes at the budget day lows, which is at 17,353. And then the next support also comes in immediately because of filling this gap which has been created between 17th and 18th of October. So these are the two major support. Accidentally or coincidentally, both are getting connected with this falling trend line. This is the important support as of now. I don't think that we will go that bad and go and test this trend line during next week. Why? Because in my opening view on Friday itself, I would have mentioned a line stating that every week Friday we will have a Friday factor playing out by last hour. What if for a change this time we have a rally in last 1 hour? If that is the case, it is 90% sure bulls will rule next week. That was the statement. And the State Bank of India has come out with super duper results. Even though the stock has rallied 5% on Friday, I expect the stock to move further ahead on Monday. Why? Because they have clarified about their exposure to Adani. They have said that we have not given any loans to Adani based on their shares. We have given loans to Adani Group based on their business projects which are running. So, which means a project has always value, right? Share market fluctuations may come and go, but a project has a value always. So, SBI has clarified that we have given loan to Adani Group only based on their projects, that two ongoing projects, not based on the share values. So, this clarification, along with very good set of results, may take SBI again 545 zones. So once it moves above 545 zones, the next zone it has to reach is 595. If SBI is going to rally, all PSU banks also will rally. Remember that. So in such case, I expect this 20 and 50 moving, 100 moving average to get crossed during next week, and we are supposed to march ahead on the higher side. The only resistance we may get at higher levels would be this falling trend lines upper band, this red one. We may take a resistance over there, but if that is taken out, for sure we will see 18,200 in next week. For sure, until Friday we will definitely see 18,200 if this falling trend line is taken out. Until then, we will have hiccups, ups and downs every time. If you ask me about the Adani saga, whether it will continue or whether it will get arrested, I have no answer for it. Why? Because everything is based on news. Even on Friday, at one point in time, Adani Enterprises was down by almost 35% and it was at circuit filter. But finally, it closed in green 1.5%, 1.38%. So these kind of moves, it's very tough to go ahead and predict. So ignore Adani. Why? Because it is not Reliance or it is not HDFC Bank. It is a small portion of Nifty. If my guess is correct, both stocks, Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports, which are part of Nifty 50, might have a weightage of only 1.5 to 2%. Both put together, I am saying. I am not saying about only Adani Ports or Adani Enterprises. Both put together, I would say the weightage would be only below or between 1.5 to 2 percentage. It is not having weightage like Reliance as 12 percentage or 12.5 percentage or HDFC Bank as like 9.5 percentage or Infosys like 7.5 percentage. Not like that. This 1.5 percentage will not be create a big impact to broader markets. So the levels are clear, and if you ask me based on this chart pattern, what kind of trade can I take during next week? I can give you one trade, but that trade should be taken only on dips. As of yesterday night, Singapore Nifty close, it has closed at 17,800. We have closed at 17,850 levels, which means we are set for a 40 to 50 points gap down opening on Monday. Even though if we are opening positive because of State Bank of India results, we may have a dip. I'm not sure whether we will have a dip. We may have a dip. In that dip, if we get closer to 17,760 to 770, that is the earlier support levels which turned as resistance for last 1 week, and we have comfortably taken out and closed above that particular level on Friday. In fact, it is a weekly close too. So if we are seeing somewhere around 17,760 to 17,780 levels also, you can play with the 17,800 call of Nifty. If you are going as hero or zero, that's fine. But if you want a stop loss, any day, if market closes below 17,750 levels, please exit your position. 17,750. Below that, you should have a daily close. Don't worry about intraday panicness or intraday swing. Even if it goes 100, 120 points or 150 points on the downside, you need to hold your position till 325. At 325, if you are feeling that this is going to close below 17,750, you need to exit your position. What I am saying is about this one. The last close was 131. Sorry, last traded price was 131. This particular wala, it's at 131. Say for example, if we are getting a dip towards 17,760 odd levels, this may come down to 80, 85 zones. And your stop loss is also very minimal. On a close below 17,750, you are supposed to exit your position. On the upside, the initial target would be 18,000, and then the next target will be 18,201. If it works in your favor, for sure you will get your investment doubled. Even if you take at 80, it will become minimum 160, because 17,800 call becomes in the money call once it crosses 17,800 and 820 or 830 levels, which means from there we are going to hit 18,000, which is the first target. Still then you will get it as 200 rupees minimum. So everything is crystal clear, guys. You can go through the video, mark your levels or mark it in your notepad, and then trade accordingly. If this video is worth for any comments or likes or dislikes, whatever it may be, please do the same in comment section. Have a good day, friends. See you all in our next video. Bye for now.